want to create a beautiful garden? No matter how small your space, there are design principles you can apply to beautify your balcony, porch, or yard. Beautiful gardens appeal to our senses. The colors and immense diversity of design combinations, fragrance, flavors, sounds from birds and insects attracted to the plants and variety of textures. Simple concepts can make a huge difference to the enjoyment of your garden space, and particularly so when it is a micro garden. Designers use these principles all over the world to make spaces really stand out and visually beautiful. Less really can be more if you know how. Top 10 tips to make a beautiful terrace garden. Add flowers or flowering plants. Splashes of color break up green, provide variety, contrast, and focal points. Try sowing both annuals and perennial flowers. For example, cosmos, hydrangeas, sunflowers, and marigolds. You don't specifically have to plant flowers though. A wide range of herbs and vegetables have beautiful flowers too. These include chives, purple. Spring onions, white. Dill, yellow. Thyme, pale pink to purple. Basils, white or purple. Pineapple sage, red. Rosemary, purple. Rocket, white, as well as all flowering vegetables and fruits. Beneficial insects will also be attracted to your garden, and they will happily pollinate and clean up any pests for you. Flowers are a win-win in any garden. Control weeds. Remove weeds before they go to seed. Compost plants that compete with what you really want in your garden. Why waste money by sharing your plant food and nutrients with freeloaders? Adding an attractive and practical mulch will deter weeds from setting seed. Group plants around a theme. Create a collection of plants with the same foliage or flower color for greater impact. Theming an area of your garden by clever use of color is an easy trick to use. Stand back and take a look at the colors in your garden now. Could you move them around for better effect? For example, putting a punnet of 4 or 6 of the same colored flower in a container for mass planting has a greater effect than just adding one flower. Surrounding these with another contrasting color will frame the picture. You can also achieve this simple technique by planting along the edge of a garden bed with a border plant. Or highlight the shape and color of the container with repeated plantings. White, silver or gray and blue work well when they are teamed up with most other colors. Add some garden art. Garden art can be any ornament, collection, treasured find or something you make. When you add decorative items to your garden, it reflects your personality and adds character to your small space. Stand back and see what the space needs. Perhaps a pot could be jazzed up with a small ornament. Do you have a bare wall that you need to hide? Are you renting and you can't paint the external walls? If so, try hanging a bamboo blind as a backdrop to your plants. Or staple some fabric to a lightweight timber frame in a contrasting color, and then position your pots and furniture in front. This is portable decorating and can really help you enjoy your outdoor space for very little cost. You can also use this concept indoors. Use colorful pots or feature containers. Feature planters can help draw the eye to a focal plant or area. A planter with a splash of color is a simple example of less is more. Do you have a special pot that makes a statement? Or a heavyweight pot or one with a beautiful fruit, tree or favorite plant in it? You can again use design techniques to make this element look more important. Use multifunctional edible herbs and flowers. Herbs provide fresh ingredients for the kitchen, have edible flowers, make attractive borders and pleasing aromas. Choose herbs like curly-leafed parsley, clumps of chives, mounds of lemon thyme, and compact Greek basil with marigolds, violets, and tatsoi. Not only do they provide variation in color, but add beauty, flavor, and structure too. Create unity and diversity. Achieve a beautiful garden by repeating a color provided by a variety of different plants. Color themes are a very effective design trick for adding beauty. Here are some ideas for combinations to get started. Yellow or orange. Example: yellow capsicums, orange marigolds, calendula, cherry tomato varieties like yellow pear, nasturtiums, orange chard, cosmos, and in yellow chilies. Purple. Example: a wide variety of sages, purple basil, thyme, eggplant, beetroot, rainbow chard, rhubarb, rosemary, and chive flowers. Some lettuce varieties: alyssum, ajuga purpurae, lavender, violet, geranium, viola, and petunia. White, grey, and blue. Example: blue or green leeks, sages that have blue flowers, culinary sage, alyssum, cauliflower, and some cabbages. Choose a feature. For example, this may be a plant, statue, piece of garden art, or even outdoor furniture. Whatever is special to you, highlight it by drawing the eye to it. Some ways you could do this are: choose a focus plant such as a productive citrus tree in a pot by centering it on your balcony or veranda. As you come out the door, it should catch your eye immediately. Use a pot or container that is a different color to the others so it makes a statement. Underplant around the base of the tree with some colorful annuals or ground cover. Position plants lower on either side of the pot so the eye goes to the tree first as the highest point. Beautiful gardens avoid clutter. This may be challenging if you have a really small space and want to grow a lot of plants. However, overcrowding will only make access difficult and the overall use of the space challenging. Try to balance hard surfaces with the plants you select and avoid using too many different materials. Consider growing some plants indoors and spread them out to areas of the home where they suit the light conditions. Ferns, for example, love the humidity and lower light conditions in many bathrooms, whereas outdoors they may take up too much valuable personal space that could be better used for other plants or furniture. Use vertical spaces like walls, railings, containers, and hanging baskets to free up floor space on a small deck or balcony. Choose variegated foliage. In some circumstances where you may have reduced sunlight, you may not have many options to grow flowering plants. You can still add color and structure by choosing plants carefully. Another option is to include variegated foliage that typically have one color on the inside and a second color around the edge of the foliage. Some ornamental varieties are cordylines, dracaenas, mandevilla, rue, and sansevieria. Many striking varieties can also be grown indoors to enhance indoor beauty and improve our air quality.